Have you ever seen a UFO? Or how about, have you ever climbed Mount Everest? Or maybe I know, wait, have you ever flown an airplane? Have you? In this lesson, we are going to practice making have you ever questions. Now, I have already done a video on this grammar, and in that video, I teach you about the grammar. I teach you how to make the questions. But in this lesson, we are not going to do that. This lesson is only going to be an active lesson. This is where you get a chance to speak English and ask questions. So, I am going to put some pictures on the screen. After you see the pictures, you are going to make a have you ever question. Now, my only advice is please remember when we use the verb, please use the past participle of the verb. Now, I have lots of short videos on past participles, and if you forget how to make have you ever questions, go back and watch my other video. If you're confident about making have you ever questions, then let's start with the active part of the lesson, shall we? Okay, situation number 1. You're going to see a picture up here. What is this picture? Okay, to me, it looks like skydiving. Now, at the beginning of these situations, I might help you a little bit and tell you the vocabulary word. But as we get down into the middle part of these active questions, I'm not going to give you any help. Okay, so we have skydiving. What's the question that you would make? For me, my question would be, have you ever gone skydiving? Have you ever gone skydiving? Now, remember, if we have any ing action, skydiving, swimming, shopping, sightseeing, in all of these ing actions, we always use the verb go. Okay, so that's why in this question, it is, have you ever gone skydiving? Now, for everybody who's watching, have you ever gone skydiving? I haven't gone skydiving, and I don't know. I don't know if I could do it. I think I could. I'd like to do it with the instructor, but I would definitely be very, very scared. Okay, situation number 2. Let's look at the picture. What do we see? Well, looks like a car, but the car is damaged. So, in this situation, what would your question be? My question would be, have you ever been in a car accident? Have you ever been in a car accident? Situation number 3. Let's look at the picture here. Now, this one here, it's karaoke. It's karaoke. I think, the traditional pronunciation of this, the Japanese pronunciation of this would be karaoke. But in English, we're going to say karaoke. Karaoke. All right, what's your question? My question would be, have you ever sung karaoke? Have you ever sung karaoke? What about you? Have you ever sung karaoke? Do you like singing karaoke? I actually don't mind it. I don't mind it in Japan. It's actually a lot of fun to sing karaoke because it's quite private here in Japan. So I don't have to feel so nervous about singing in front of so many people. Situation number 4. Let's look at the picture here. Okay, looks like we have an injury. Now, this is a specific kind of injury. I'm not going to help you with this one. What is your question? My question would be, have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever broken a bone? For me, yes, I have broken many bones. I've broken this wrist. I've broken this wrist. I've broken this finger. I've broken a toe. I've broken a lot of bones. What about you? Have you ever broken a bone? If you have, please share it with me. Leave it down in the comments section. Situation number 5. Please look at the picture and please make a have you ever question. I'm not going to help you with the vocabulary from now on. So, what is your question? Okay, so we have scuba diving. Scuba diving. So, whenever we have scuba diving, this is an ing action. So, my sentence is, have you ever gone scuba diving? Very similar to the very first situation. Have you ever gone skydiving? Here, have you ever gone scuba diving? Have you? Please let me know. Situation number 6. Please look at the picture and make a have you ever question. Okay, so the picture here, we have a car. We have a car. So maybe my question would be, have you ever driven a car? Have you ever driven a car? Okay, so this is a great time for me to ask you, if you like this video so far, and if you like these types of lessons, subscribe to this channel. It's completely free. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Situation number 7. Let's look at the picture. Now it's your turn. Make a have you ever question. All right, my question for this, it looks like there's bread here. Looks like maybe they're baking. So my question would be, have you ever baked bread? Have you ever baked bread? And for me, yes, I have baked a lot of bread. I love baking. I love bread. The last bread I baked was brioche hamburger buns. It was delicious. Situation number 8. Please take a look at the picture and make a have you ever question. Okay, so in this picture, I see yoga. So my question would be, have you ever done yoga? Have you ever done yoga? Situation number 9. This one's a little bit difficult. Let's look at the picture. What do you see? And please make a have you ever question. Okay, I see Christmas. I see a really popular Christmas activity. This is called a gingerbread house. So my question would be, have you ever made a gingerbread house? Have you ever made a gingerbread house? So has anyone ever made a gingerbread house? I like to do it every year. It's a lot of fun. And situation number 10. Please look at the picture here and make a have you ever question. Okay, this one was also a little bit difficult. This picture here, this is called a four-leaf clover. So my question would be, have you ever found a four-leaf clover? Have you ever found a four-leaf clover? All right, we just had St. Patrick's Day, so I hope everybody has been able to find a four-leaf clover because it is actually good luck. Okay, so how did you do with those 10 situations? Were you able to make some have you ever questions? If you had any questions, if you had any problems with this, please ask those questions down below. Also, you could watch my other video where I teach you the grammar and how to make the questions. right? Also, if you had a different question than mine, that's okay. You could be correct. Just leave those questions down in the comment section and I will check them. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. It's completely free. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. I'm always posting videos, so make sure you keep a lookout for those other videos. And until the next lesson, see ya. Thank you for watching today's video on Have You Ever? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. I'm always posting new videos, so make sure you watch those ones as well. See ya.